Hearing your stomach growling on a daily basis is super important because it doesn't necessarily mean that you're hungry, but it also means that your system is cleaning itself up. What you hear is the MMC, short for migrating motor complex. And this system is actually there to get rid of all the small food particles in your stomach, lead them to the small intestines, and then get rid of them in the large intestines. And this way, you don't only get rid of all the small food particles that don't need to stay there, but you avoid bacterial overgrowth, which is super important. So next time you hear your stomach growling, think about it. It's cleaning itself up. It's working.